Welcome to Build My Mini. This is Eve. Today, let's look at our baby essentials shop. The real idea behind Pixine is about making a gift for someone special while you are building the scene. You are thinking of that person. You are putting in little objects that remind you of them. It makes the gift feel full of love and stories. A lovely customer asked me to make a shop for baby clothes. I wanted it to feel very warm and sweet, so I chose this soft baby blue color. I also added many balloons because they mean joy when welcoming a new baby to the world. I use a special one-way folding trick so it is very easy to build. This lets you focus on the happy thoughts of your friend or family instead of a hard tutorial. As your hands stay busy, your stress just melts away. It is a quiet time for your heart and your mind. When the lights go on, the shop looks so cozy and bright. I hope you enjoy making this special gift for someone you love. I hope you like our Build My Mini paper craft projects. We update every week with new ideas. Don't leave. The video is still continuing. Enjoy your crafting moment.